In your experience and what you know about people's tendencies, did people ask you what the interest rate was, or did they ask you what the payment was?
That's the condition that we said at the beginning. Don't get fixated just on the payment. You must understand the interest amount you're giving up to make a decision that's a wise choice economically.
But it goes back to, because you say you have to understand it, but that goes back to kind of the principle of economics. If you think about it, why do they ask how much is the payment? Because they think that that's the most important piece of information that they need to know in order to make a decision. For you, it says no. The most important information you know is the interest rate. But it goes back to, if they're not asking for the interest rate, maybe they don't understand what the interest rate is and how it affects the payment and how much money you're really spending. So back to your point, I really want to drive that home for people. It's like, it's not just some random weird number out there in the ether.
No,
Like, it's a very important number. So
how that
ask the
more you transfer to that bank.
ask the question. Understand, start to learn, right? What is an interest rate? How does it affect everything else that's going into the loan that I'm getting, and how much am I going to end up paying based on the interest rate, right? And you can ask those questions to whoever it is that you're doing the transaction with. Hey, help me understand how this interest rate affects this, right? So then you can understand that it's more than just the payment.